The hunting rifle market isn't always predictable, and some once-hot rifles crashed hard. Rising competition, shifting trends, and buyer fatigue caused certain models to lose value almost overnight. In this video, we break down 5 hunting rifles that suffered a major market collapse between 2025 and 2026, explaining what went wrong, why prices dropped, and what hunters should learn before buying their next rifle. Number 5. Mossberg Patriot is a modern, budget-friendly, bolt-action hunting rifle designed to deliver solid performance at an affordable price, making it popular with new hunters and practical shooters alike. And it typically sells for about $350 to $550 USD depending on caliber, stock material, and finish. Among its key pros are a lightweight design that's easy to carry in the field, good out-of-the-box accuracy that is usually more than sufficient for deer-size game, a smooth short-throw bolt, and Mossberg's adjustable LBA trigger, which allows shooters to fine-tune pull weight without a gunsmith, while the wide range of available calibers from .243 Winchester and .308 Winchester to the 30.06 Springfield Edition and various Magnums adds versatility for different hunting needs. The Patriot is also often sold in scoped packages, offering excellent value for beginners who want a ready-to-hunt setup. But there are clear cons, including a fit and finish that feels utilitarian rather than refined, with synthetic stocks that can feel flexible, limited aftermarket support compared to rifles like the Remington 700, and durability that, while acceptable, doesn't match premium hunting rifles under heavy long-term use. Some shooters also report a stiffer bolt feel when new and less consistent accuracy with cheaper factory ammunition, and the rifle lacks the controlled round feed and premium safeties found on higher-end models. Overall, the Mossberg Patriot is a straightforward, affordable, and effective hunting rifle that excels at doing the basics well for the price, but it's best suited for hunters who prioritize value and functionality over luxury materials, extensive customization, or heirloom-level craftsmanship. Number 4. Winchester XPR is a modern, budget-conscious bolt-action hunting rifle designed to deliver dependable accuracy and reliability without the premium price tag traditionally associated with the Winchester name, and it generally retails for around $450 to $700 USD depending on caliber, stock type, and whether it's a standard or scoped package. Key pros include a strong 3-lug bolt with a short 60-degree lift that allows fast cycling and ample scope clearance, a free-floating barrel that contributes to consistent accuracy, often hovering around 1 MOA with quality ammunition, and a crisp factory-set trigger that many shooters find surprisingly good for the price. While the lightweight build makes it easy to carry on long hunts and suitable for mountain or backcountry use, the XPR is offered in a wide range of popular hunting calibers such as .243 Winchester, .270 Winchester, .308 Winchester, 30-06 Springfield, and several Magnums, adding to its versatility for deer, elk, and even larger game. But there are notable cons, including a very utilitarian fit and finish, polymer stocks that can feel hollow or flexible, and a detachable box magazine system that some hunters dislike for its plastic construction and proprietary design. Plus, aftermarket support is limited compared to platforms like the Remington 700. Additionally, the rifle lacks the controlled round feed and classic feel of the Winchester Model 70, which may disappoint traditionalists, and recoil can feel sharper due to the lighter weight and basic recoil pad on some models. Overall, the Winchester XPR is a no-frills, accurate, and affordable hunting rifle that focuses on performance over tradition or refinement, making it an excellent choice for hunters who want modern reliability and solid accuracy at a reasonable price, as long as they're willing to accept simpler materials and fewer customization options. Number 3. Ruger American Rifle Gen 1 is a modern, value-driven bolt-action hunting rifle that helped redefine the budget rifle market when it was introduced, offering dependable performance at a very accessible price point. And it typically sells for around $350 to $600 USD depending on caliber, condition, and whether it includes a scope package. Its major pros include a lightweight and easy-to-carry design, Ruger's power bedding system that free-floats the barrel for consistent accuracy, often approaching or achieving 1 MOA with quality ammunition, a smooth 3-lug bolt with a short 70-degree lift that allows fast cycling and good scope clearance, and the adjustable marksman trigger that gives shooters a crisp pull without gunsmith work, while the wide range of available calibers from .223 Remington and .243 Winchester to .308 Winchester. Number 30-06 Springfield and Magnum options makes it suitable for everything from varmints to big game. However, there are clear cons, including a very utilitarian polymer stock that can feel flexible, especially in earlier Gen 1 models, basic fit and finish that lacks the refinement of more expensive rifles, and limited aftermarket support compared to more established platforms like the Remington 700. Plus, some shooters dislike the rotary magazine system for being proprietary and slower to reload. Recoil can also feel sharper due to the rifle's lightweight and long-term durability, while generally good, doesn't match higher-end hunting rifles. Overall, the Ruger American Gen 1 is a highly practical, accurate, and affordable rifle that excels as a working hunter's tool, but it's best suited for shooters who prioritize value with shisha and real-world performance over premium materials, classic aesthetics, or extensive customization. Number 2, Savage Axis II, is a popular entry-level bolt-action hunting rifle designed to deliver reliable accuracy at a very affordable price, making it a common choice for new hunters and budget-conscious shooters, and it typically sells for around $300 to $450 USD depending on caliber, stock configuration, and whether it comes in a scoped package. Its biggest pros include Savage's well-regarded AccuTrigger, which offers a light, adjustable, and crisp pull rarely found at this price point, a lightweight and simple design that's easy to carry in the field, and surprisingly good out-of-the-box accuracy, often capable of 1-1. 5 MOA with quality ammunition. While the rifle is available in many common calibers, such as .23 Remington, .243 Winchester, .270 Winchester, .308 Winchester, and .30 EO6. Springfield, making it versatile for everything from varmints to big game. However, there are notable cons, including very basic fit and finish, with synthetic stocks that feel hollow and flexible, a rougher bolt feel compared to premium rifles, and limited aftermarket support, which restricts customization options. While the detachable box magazine is sometimes criticized for its plastic construction and occasional feeding quirks, recoil can feel sharper due to the lightweight and basic recoil pad, and long-term durability, while acceptable, doesn't match higher-end Savage models like the 110 series. Overall, the Savage Axis II is a no-frills, accurate, and extremely affordable hunting rifle that focuses on core performance rather than refinement, making it an excellent choice for hunters who want dependable accuracy at the lowest possible cost, as long as they understand its budget-oriented materials and lack of premium features. Number 1. Remington 783 is a modern, budget-oriented bolt-action hunting rifle introduced as an affordable alternative within Remington's lineup, designed to offer solid accuracy and dependable performance without the higher cost of flagship models, and it typically sells for around $400 to $600 USD depending on caliber, stock type, and whether it comes as a scoped package. Its primary pros include a free-floating barrel that helps deliver consistent accuracy, often close to 1 MOA with quality ammunition, a user-adjustable crossfire trigger that provides a clean and predictable break, and a solid cylindrical receiver that adds strength and rigidity, while the rifle is available in popular hunting calibers such as .243 Winchester, .270 Winchester, the .308 Winchester, and .30 6. Springfield, making it suitable for a wide range of North American game. The 783 also benefits from a robust, detachable steel magazine, which many shooters prefer over polymer designs, and a relatively stiff synthetic stock that feels more rigid than some competing budget rifles. But there are notable cons, including a heavier overall weight compared to other entry-level rifles, a bolt action that can feel stiff or gritty when new, and limited aftermarket support relative to the highly modular Remington 700 platform, plus fit and finish that remain clearly budget-focused rather than refined. Some users also report sharper recoil in lighter calibers due to stock design, and resale value tends to be lower than more established Remington models. Overall, the Remington 783 is a durable, accurate, and practical hunting rifle that offers strong performance for the price, especially for hunters who want a tougher, more rigid feel than ultralight budget rifles. But it's best suited for shooters who prioritize function and accuracy over brand prestige, smoothness, or extensive customization options. If these hunting rifles crashing in value caught you off guard, hit like, subscribe, and comment which one surprised you the most. We break down real market shifts, hype collapses, and hard truths every hunter should know, so you don't overpay when the market turns. Stay sharp, stay informed.